Hi, good morning. Welcome to our daily discussion on structural and grammatical accuracy in English writing. This is the second part of our discussion on the 10 golden rules of subject verb agreement in English sentences. We will continue our discussion starting with the sixth rule. The sixth rule applies to a collective noun phrase with a plural noun in it used as the subject of a sentence. While using such a phrase, ignore the plural noun. Consider only the collective noun and use the singular verb. In this sentence, you have to change the plural verb were handed into was handed. That is the correction required because you may be influenced by the plural noun roses, but actually the real subject is bouquet. So that should take the singular verb form. On her birthday, a bouquet of roses was handed to her by each visitor. The seventh rule applies to a subject referring to a portion of something that is countable or uncountable. For example, a half of the bread, 1/4 of the vegetables, some of the milk, a majority of the pilgrims, etc. In such a subject mentioning a portion, the countable or uncountable noun determines whether the verb is plural or singular. If the noun following half of or some of, for example, is a plural noun, use a plural verb. If it is singular, use the singular verb form. In this sentence, the noun food is uncountable. Hence, it should take a singular verb form. Some of the food was distributed among the hungry people waiting outside. Supposing it is food packets, then the plural verb form will be correct. Some of the food packets were distributed, then it will be correct. Here it is, here food is uncountable, therefore was is the correct verb form. Some of the food was distributed among the hungry people waiting outside. The eighth rule concerns the numeral status of something used as the subject. The reference in the subject is only to the number, for example, an increase from the number 2000 to the number 3000, which is not a reference to people or things. So, when the phrase the number is the real subject, you should always take a singular verb. Here is the correction. The number of people reading science fiction has increased nowadays. It is has increased because the number is singular. The next rule. The ninth rule relates to the unusual verb forms used with the subjects when they express wishes that may not be fulfilled or actions that are only imaginary. When the subject expresses abnormal wishes, the verb takes abnormal forms. In this sentence, the speaker's wish is abnormal and hence the normal singular form was after the subject I is not applicable. It has to be changed into the plural were. Read the sentence correctly now. I wish I were a billionaire because it is hypothetical. It is an abnormal wish, therefore it is the normal verb form was is changed into the plural verb form were. I wish I were a billionaire running many industries globally. The 10th rule applies to a collective noun used as the subject of a sentence. The choice of the verb form with a collective noun depends on how the noun is regarded. As a general rule, when there is nothing in the sentence to indicate its singularity or plurality, use the singular verb. In this sentence, the final pronoun it indicates that luggage is regarded as a single unit. Hence, the singular was should be the correct verb after luggage. Read the sentence correctly now. The luggage was so heavy that we had to engage a porter to carry it. From here onwards, the sentences are for your exercise at leisure. Let me read them quickly. Every academic year, the number of applicants for engineering courses are increasing at a tremendous rate. The list of invitees for the wedding reception are not complete yet. Some of the food packets were handed to the people in the flood affected areas. A large number of readers is reading science fiction now. They requested the minister that he visited the flooded regions. It's really a boon to have a faculty that are so dynamic and industrious. These are the sentences for your exercise. Remember the rules of subject verb agreement we have discussed in this session. Apply them and correct the sentences. Hope you will write sentences of this type. Write your own sentences for practice. Certainly your sentences will be correct in future. Thank you. Bye. We will see the next sentence tomorrow.